Hey everybody, this is a demo of ParrotTester, a Unity editor extension that lets you record macros. I made ParrotTester to automate the process of reproducing hard-to-find bugs, so I'll show you how I would use it in a typical debugging workflow. Here I've opened up the AngryBots example project and imported the ParrotTester Unity package. You'll notice I have this unhandled exception here, and this is because ParrotTester uses some .NET features that are not included in Unity by default. So to fix this, you have to go to File, Build Settings, Player Settings, scroll down to API Compatibility Level, and change that from .NET 2.0 subset to .NET 2.0. Now we're ready to start recording. I'll open up the ParrotTester window and call our macro demo. As I play the game, ParrotTester will record key presses, mouse presses, and mouse position. Walk around, shoot some stuff. And you notice I have this exception here. Now, when I stop the game, ParrotTester will stop the recording automatically. And you'll see we save this macro and it shows up in the list here. So if I play it, you'll see that the exact same input is being simulated on this new game session. Let's fix the exception. Open up Visual Studio, and obviously I put this here on purpose, so comment that out. Now if we play the macro again, you see that we don't get the exception anymore. So that's how I intended ParrotTester to be used, but you can also use it as a more general purpose macro recorder. For example, if I want to record a short macro within a longer gameplay session, I can hit play like normal. And then when I'm ready to record, I'll press start. Once I stop the recording, you'll see that it shows up here like before. This time, however, if I press play, you'll see that it only replays that short snippet I just recorded. And I can play it as many times as I want within a single gameplay session. So this could be useful, for example, if you're making a fighting game with a lot of very complex input combinations and you don't want to fiddle around with the game every time you want to try out that combination. The final feature I'd like to demonstrate is the portability of the macros. ParrotTester doesn't know anything about your game. It only records the input, so you can actually record macros for other projects and replay them in an entirely different project. I'll show you that right now by opening up another example. Let's open up 2D character. I've already imported ParrotTester, as you can see here. So now I'll just open up the tab and I'll change the current working directory. By default, macros are saved to the ParrotTester data folder in the root of the project that you're recording in. So to find the AngryBots macros, I'll just go to AngryBots ParrotTester data. And now you can see that the two macros I recorded earlier show up here like they did before. Now I can play them in this project. So that's all I have to say. For more information, you should read the documentation on my website. If you're watching from YouTube, then the link is in the description. Thanks for watching.